I've always enjoyed to see things getting knocked over and see how the physics interact. I guess it's like when you build a tower with a deck of cards or Legos and then you destroy it. So I had this idea. How big of a tower can I create on Unity that I can knock down without my PC crashing? So the tower will be created with these cubes. It's a default Unity 3D cube, 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter. And it has a rigid body and a box collider. I also created this script that will let us choose a width and a height for our tower. It also changes the color of the cubes by row. So let's get started. Let's create a tower, let's say width 5, height 3, okay. And let's knock it down. Okay, that wasn't so difficult. Let me show you also, wait a second, how intensive it is on my system. So let's create another one. Let's say height of, let's go with 20. Oh, it falls down on its own, so I don't need to shoot the cube. Okay, that was easy. Let's shoot the cube anyway. Okay, let's increase it. Let's go with 50. Man, I don't know, but I love seeing things fall down like this. Okay, let's continue. Let's say 100 maybe? I guess this is too much anyway, but... Oh my god. That was easy. Well, okay, let's go with 250. Oh, let's keep it around 200. That's 1000 cubes. Ah, now it's shagging, nice. Okay, it's just at the beginning. Then it's kinda okay. Low FPS, but it works. Let's say 300. And now it should be really laggy now. Ooh, like 1 FPS. I can't even move the camera. Why is it still laggy? Like, oh my god. Okay, stop. Okay, nice. Maybe if I change the width to like 3. It will be less intensive and I can make a taller tower. Say 400. Yeah, it works better like this. Okay, I need to move the camera. We can't even see the top of the tower now. Like this little dot here, it's 1 meter by 1 meter and 80 centimeters. And I can still not see the top. Okay. Okay, now that's better. Let's change the distance that we can see. Okay, let's keep increasing it. Let's go 600. Is it fall? Okay, it is. I mean, It's slow, yeah, but it's not game breaking. I mean, computer breaking, right? I would consider this playable FPS. Okay, let's go like 1000, I don't know. Again, we can see the top. You know. Oh, okay, it's using my GPU because I'm recording with OBS. That's why. Makes sense. My CPU only has 4 cores, 8 threads, but it's not ideal. I think so. I'm not sure, but I think with more cores this would be better. Not sure if Unity can utilize the full cores, like if I had 8 or 12. Let's go with 2500. I don't think you can ever see the top of the tower. Is it falling? Oh, it's falling now. Oh, okay, my computer is really struggling now. Oh my god, that's like 1 FPS. Hopefully it will get smoother after a few seconds. How much RAM is it using though? It's only using 1.5 gigabytes. That's not that bad. Okay, I guess I will say this is like the limit. Probably. It will take ages to fall down. Let's stop this. Let's try decreasing the width to 1. It doesn't even lag like this. It's just random cubes falling down. It might lag at the end, I guess. Not sure. Can you see them here? Oh, there they are. Yeah, it's with this one we can go way higher. Like let's go with 10,000. Yeah, 10,000 probably is the limit. It's lagging way too much now. How high is the tallest building? So the tallest building is 828 meters. That's 828 cubes. Would be, let's give a width of, okay, 5. Okay, that's quite big. Maybe if I compile the game I can increase the number. Yeah, let's compile the game. Okay, so I've compiled the game. Let's try it again now. It's the same height and width. Yeah, I don't think it works if I compile. Yeah, it might be a bit faster, but still too slow. Yeah, I guess this is the limit for my computer. Well, I will leave the project in the description if you want to mess around with it. You can try to change the settings maybe and try to go for a bigger number than I did. Yeah, go use it and have fun with it. See you on the next video.